What makes this different from affiliate marketing, MLMs, and drop shipping? Most people assume this is just another make money online scheme. Let's set the record straight. If you think this is just another MLM, affiliate offer, or drop shipping biz, think again. The reason most people fail, they choose the wrong business model. Here's what makes this different. Stay with me because I'm going to show you why this model works when others don't. Why this business is not like the others. Here's how it's different from the most common failed models. Not affiliate marketing. You keep 100%. Affiliate programs only pay a small commission, 5 to 30%. If the company changes rules, your income is gone. Here, you keep 100% of the sale. No middleman. Not MLM. No recruiting. No pyramid structure. You don't need a downline to make money. No monthly purchases and no forced inventory. You're selling a real product, not recruiting others to recruit. It's not drop shipping. No inventory, no logistics, no sourcing products from China, no customer service refunds or shipping delays. You're selling a digital product that delivers instantly. Which of these failed models have you tried before? Let me know, comment below. My next video, I'm talking about how you can earn while you're still learning, even if you have zero experience or tech skills. How to earn while learning, even if you have no experience. Drop a comment to learn more if you're ready.